we just couldn't finish this summary without giving a word to Adrian Conway, our course facilitator. Adrian, are there any comments that you'd like to add to the end of this?
Yeah, I think for me, the crucial element is the link with the research and the practicalities, because I think if you've got the theory and you can then apply that, and that's what we've tried to do throughout the whole of the course, is to actually look at the theory behind it and then look at the application. And I think it was very important for us when we were designing the courses to make sure that there was some takeaway, something that you could go away with and actually try out, you know, on a practical level, and something that you could persevere with, something that you could, you know, it might not work first time, but you get the principle behind it so that you can keep persevering and working away. So I think for me, it's those links. And I think also one of the things I've been amazed at is the collaborative approach and the way that the group, the cohort, as you've gone through, have supported each other with ideas and discussions, and the way that you've entered into the spirit of the whole idea behind the course, really. And I think that's been really rich and very, very powerful.